problem. Motivation. Energy.
Emotion.
3 points. 3 points. When you feel down, breathe down all the psychology, okay, motivation and energy, all the will down when you feel tired or okay. That's why you don't improve yourself much more because some people always the same, always be the same.
No target, no goal.
No goal, okay, very good. Goals. If you have the goals, you focus on, right? You focus on it much more. When you focus on, you can imagine, okay? You can imagine your goals clearly in your mind, in your thinking, in your brain, right? When you imagine clearly, you will have more psychology, more motivation.
No plan.
Okay, plan.
Very important.
Okay, some people don't write down the plan. You don't know what to do in the future. Okay? You don't know what to do in the future. That's how bad psychology, bad motivation, and bad energy. That some people don't improve much more English speaking. If you want to improve your English speaking, you must push all of them. Psychology, good psychology, get bad psychology, and higher energy, higher motivation. Get motivation. If you want to be successful, you must do it. Focus on, push. You must see your goals clearly in your mind, in your brain. Okay? You must create your plans. Create your plans. You must write down your textbook, your books, notebooks clearly. And Steve Jobs, he said that the best way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. They say don't give up. Keep looking. You must find out your desire, your passion in the future. And today, I will help you to understand rule number 4, right? Rule 4 is learn deeply or deeply. Let's record rule number.
And deep learning.
Deeply or deep learning. Okay, who can help me to understand what does this mean? Okay?
Now learn deeply. Basically means repeating.
What does this mean?
Repeating.
Learning deeply and deep learning. Repeating what to learn to again, many times.
Repeat what?
You love
You learn. What to learn again and again. Who can give me some example?
Example for lesson again.
The kids.
Today learn again and tomorrow we will learn again. And
Next day.
Next week we will learn again and again lesson again until you can master it.
Master it. Okay, very good. This means repeating what you learn again, many times until you can master all of them. Okay, master all of them. Okay, for example, when you can remember in the past. Okay, you have learned the pronunciation course. Okay, we have 12 paragraphs and 5 phrase English lessons. Okay, you repeat it every day and every day. Okay, repeat it every day and every day. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a special occasion. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful. You repeated many times. Okay? And I want to know that do you learn deeply in your school right now? Okay? Including in your university. Do you learn deeply in your school? No, right now.
Right now.
Your school right now, your university.
No.
Okay?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
You can help me to understand why you say no. And what is the way that you learn in your school right now? Because you say no. Give me some reason.
Okay, because the teacher gave me many new words.
New words.
Yes,
Yes.
many new grammar. Yes, we must learn very fast. Yeah.
Okay, we learn.
One day we learn on structure. Next day we learn another structure or sentences. Yes.
Structure and new words.
Yeah, new words, grammar. Yeah.
Grammar.
Yes. The teacher always push me. Yeah, push me learn very fast.
Learn very fast.
Yes. Yeah, that's
Okay. This is true. Okay, this is true because the school. This is the old way. This is the old way. Okay, we have a lot of pressure. We have a lot of pressure because you can imagine. Okay, if today and tomorrow when you come to the class, and teacher give you a lot of pressure today, you must finish the lesson. Okay, because the lesson have many new words and many structure and of course many grammar rules that you must finish, you must understand. And the next day when you will go to the class, okay, and the teacher will give you a lesson, and we will have structure and new words and grammar. Learn faster. Next day, the topic. Next day is the lesson. Okay, because maybe 20 or more. Okay, 20 or more lesson. Okay,
Yeah.
20 or more lesson, and each day we learn each lesson. That's why you can understand. Okay, you can understand, but you can't use this. Yes or no?
Yes.
You can't understand, but you can use this, right? And I call that this is the old way. This is the old way. And new way to learn is we learn deeply or deep learning. But you must understand why do you do this or why do you learn deeply. Because this is the old way and the new way is learn deeply. You must understand why to do this. What is the benefit, right?
When you learn deeply, you can remember it for a long time.
Okay, remember.
Remember, can use it and don't forget. Never forget.
Never forget. Okay.
Never forget. You can understand it better.
Understand better.
And use it to communicate with foreign people. You can use it.
Use, okay?
Use it.
Use this. This.
Easily.
Easily.
You can speak English easily automatically.
Speak English, okay?
Okay, you can learn grammar or new words, but you never forget it. Yes, you can learn grammar or
Okay. Grammar, you can learn grammar. Okay. You can learn grammar. This is the bonus, okay, bonus or benefit when you learn deeply. Remember, you remember for a long time, okay? I know that some people in here, okay, all of you can remember 12 paragraphs? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, I know that you can because I teach you deeply. Okay, deeply. And some people fell down on the fall when you learn English, when you study English, because all of them focus on studying
That's
fast, very fast, very fast. That's what I do. To best method to help all of you to learn English. Firstly, the crazy English method to teach you deeply. Every day you repeat all paragraphs, all lessons, okay, until you can shout easily, okay, shout easily without thinking and without translation, okay, paragraph. For example, how to speak perfect English. Learning English is a piece of cake. I have a very happy family. Love yourself and make today special. You can speak easily, right, without thinking. And of course, you can remember, you can imagine when you learn the lesson, okay, only lesson deeply, and then you can listen the same lesson, okay, the same. For example, today when you learn the lesson about education, right, and you learn deeply, and next day when you learn the same lesson about education, okay, you can understand better, okay, easier to understand, because in your school you always learn very fast. You can understand, but you cannot use it easily, right? And right now, do you understand why do you learn deeply? And finally, and the final question is how do you do this? Or how do you learn deeply? How to learn deeply? You must find the way to learn deeply.
You can listen the same topic or the same sentences or the same audio
How do
every
you?
day until you master it, until you listen it, master.
Okay. Firstly,
You listen to audio.
listen.
the same audio.
Listen the same audio. Audios. Okay, because the Effortless English system, we focus on listening. Okay, listening. Because to help you to improve your English speaking, the Effortless English system focus on listening. You listen the audios, the same audios. Okay, and in your opinion, how many times that you listen to the same audios? For example,
1 week, 2 week, 3 week.
1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yes.
Okay.
Many times.
Until
Master. And listen it repeatedly.
master. You can use this easily. Okay? You can come here and you can introduce, you can present many topics easily, okay? Without thinking and translation. You have an idea or an information. You can speak English easily. Okay, anything else?
You must repeat it. Repeat.
Repeat.
Every day.
Repeat what you learn.
Listen and repeat after
The speaker on the tape.
Yes.
Okay. Repeat what you learn every day. Okay, the first lesson, Crazy English, okay, is how to speak perfect English, okay? And it said that don't worry, remember, don't be afraid of speaking English. Learning it is a piece of cake. Don't worry your pronunciation, don't worry your grammar, don't be afraid. Let's try
To
speak English as much as because successful and practice makes perfect. Repeat all the what you learn. Okay, and of course, you see Some people don't learn the past tense, okay? And they have some problem when you speak English with the past tense, okay? The past tense, okay? That's why I recommend all of you to learn with Apple's English method. We focus on the past tense, okay? The past tense. We play mini story with the
Past tense.
Remember, we learn the past tense. The past tense. This is very important, okay? Because some people say that yesterday I go to the school. Okay? Some people say that yesterday I go to school, today I go to school, and tomorrow I go to the school. The same, all of the same, right? And that's why I recommend all of you focus on the past tense, right? Because when you master the past tense, you can speak English confidently, right? Confidently, because you understand three tenses, okay? The past tense, the present tense, and
Future tense.
okay. If you master three tenses, okay, you can master 12 tenses, okay? Because all of them 12 tenses to help you to write English, okay? To write English, but three tenses to help you to speak English, okay? All of them. This is very important, okay? You must do it, you must master all of them. And how to do this? Teacher Ajil, he created many mini stories, okay? You can download and you put it in your ears and listen every day. Okay, listen every day until you can master the past tense. You can speak English automatically when you say that yesterday I came to the school. That's okay. We don't say yesterday I come to the school, yesterday I go to school. It's not correct, right? You must say that yesterday I came to the school, yesterday I bought a new bike. Okay, that was okay. And all of them, rule number 4, I want to say that this is the key. This is the key to help you to improve your English. Well, okay. I always repeat what I learn every day. Because I want to create English zone.
Yes, English zone in your brain.
In my brain. In my brain. Okay, in my brain. Because I want to compare mother tongue. Okay, this is the Vietnamese and English in my brain. But I must create English deeply in my brain. Okay, I want to say English. I want to speak English. I want to do everything with English without thinking and translation. You must do it. You must create in your brain English. Okay. And how to do it? How do you do this? You do this through rule number 4. Okay. You learn deeply every day. You repeat what you learn every day. I promise, I'm sure that if you do this, absolutely you will be successful. Because some people always learn fast. Some people say that today I have learned 100 lessons. I can speak English very well. Yes or no? Because they learn very fast. Remember, we focus on the core. Okay, core. Core. Okay, focus on the core. And then, if you want to speak another topic, you can get many vocabulary and new words to do it. This is very easy. I believe that if you understand, if you use some rules English easily, you can come here and you present some rules English easily and quickly and automatically. In the future, you will do anything with English. You can download many programs and you present all of them easily without thinking and translation. Believe that because We have 4 points. Firstly, you must focus on what is your desire. Okay? And next, passion. Next, believe. If you believe in yourself, you can do it, right? And finally, persistent. Okay? You must have a great persistence to do day after day until you will be successful. Because some people, when they meet some difficulties, they want to give up. That's why you must, if you want to be successful, you must have a great persistence. Do this every day. And English is very difficult. I want to say that English is very difficult. Not super easy. But if you have a great persistence, it's super easy. Alright? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. That's all done. I want to say that learn deeply on deep learning is the key to help you to improve your English speaking in the future. Okay?
Yes.
If you understand all of them, you must take action. Okay? Take action. Okay? Understanding is not enough. Okay? Remember, understanding is not enough. Take action. Do this every day. When you have a great opportunity, you must come here and present and speak and take action. Okay? Remember, you must be number one. Okay? You must be number one every time, everywhere, if you want to be successful in the future. Great motivation, great energy, and great psychology. 3 points. If you understand 3 points, you do this every day. Absolutely, you will make a big change in the future. Right now, right here, not in your house, not in your home. Okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Big hand for you today. Okay. In the next lesson, we're going to review again the lesson, base topic and rule number 4. I hope that all of you come back home and enjoy learning English. Okay? You prepare the lesson seriously, and then come here and do this with high energy, with high motivation and high psychology. Okay? Big hand for you one more time.